weekends flying for us, and it's great to be back here at Biggin Hill. Sadly we can be... The voice there of Red 1 swelling to Jason Walker, coming left now into the short diamond formation from that big battle, that big wing. Jace comes from the southwest. He took over the team. Team now moving into big vixen formation. A little bit more about Red 2. Ben Murphy joined the team last year as a former Harrier pilot, comes from the Loughborough area, joined the Royal Air Force after university, served on Harriers throughout his career on operations in Afghanistan and Iraq. But out to your right hand side for the big vixen roll. Pilots flying at over 400 miles an hour, rolling above us there at nearly 2,500 feet. Straight after school. Well, then New Zealand Air Force closed down their fast jet squadrons, moved to the Royal Air Force and joined in 2002, and has served as a Harrier pilot throughout his career and on operations in Afghanistan. But to your left hand side in swan formation, set up for the swan reversal into the swan to diamond 9 bend.
Smoke up.
Team now moving into diamond formation there. Back from that big wide swan formation to the signature diamond 9. Reds 2 and 3 acknowledging that change. As we change formation, the moving pilots acknowledge with their call signs. If the leader does not hear the call sign acknowledgement, then we do not change formation, keeping the formation. If you look at the right-hand side of that formation, the right-hand-most aircraft, a little bit more about Red 4, Greg Perelou, born in Zaire, is in fact half Belgian, moved to the UK as a child and joined the Royal Air Force after university, serving as a Jaguar pilot, then a Hawk instructor, and returned from exchange service overseas with the Royal Air Force of Oman to join the Red Arrows. But out to your right-hand side, just set up now for the chevron roll. Maintaining that 400 miles an hour and only 6 to 8 feet apart. Voice there of Red 6, Jim Turner, calling pass. To 6G, 6 times Earth gravity there, 6 feet apart. Red 8 pulling up through the leader smoke there at over 8G with red, white and blue. To your front, in formation, in the turn for the steep climb. Formation there to your left now with the red, white and blue. We carry 5 minutes of white smoke, 1 minute of the red and 1 minute of blue smoke, and that takes some planning for our 23-minute display. Red 7 and 9 rolling around Red 6. fantastic synchronised rolling there. On the right-hand side, right and left, the Reds 8 and 9. Right is colleague Scott Ollie, this is his third and last year on the team. The team executive officer, he flew that fantastic. Jim, 300 feet. Reds 8 and 9 rolling around the smoke. That's Red 9 fully. As the pilot select there, red, white and blue. Smoke. This is called easing up. As we move into the helix, another new manoeuvre for 2007. As Andy Porter, your commentator, earlier said, the aircraft that we fly is the BA Systems Hawk. Again, we've got the red painted version of the black one you saw earlier. It's a fantastic helix bend. Just they're calling white on go, and the pilots select the smoke using buttons on the control column. Jim Turner there, very relaxed, calling and roll. He flies a -2.5, negative G barrel roll. The Reds 6, 7, 8 and 9, all in close formation. Reds 7, 8 and 9 flying the right way up, or is it the other way up? But look out to your front. The jibboat break. Jim and Pablo complete their fantastic day. We represent the Royal Air Force and the very best of British. To your front then, the 2007 Red Arrows.